Okay, so how is my system different from probably most every other one out there? You're going to go to a site called huntingforcashback.com. This takes you to a company called Doobly. It's a cashback portal. And so basically there's different malls in different countries, and it's all around the world. In the United States, there's over 12,000 stores. What these stores do is they pair up with Doobly and they give a percentage back. Now, the Hunting for Cash Back, so you're not confused, it's just my friend referral website. So if you go to Hunting for Cash Back, I appreciate that because that helps me continue doing YouTube videos. So you go here and you find a store that is would be a good drop shipping store. Now, what is a good drop shipping store? Now, a good drop shipping store is going to give you a good percentage back. It's going to give you points for every purchase, or even another percentage, maybe through coupons and that sort of thing, and maybe enables you to gift an item. Now, this is what the percentage back looks like when you are a free member. So everybody can be a free member. So I'm teaching you how to be a drop shipper with very little money invested. Most people, when the minimum amount that you usually use to start a business is about $500. So free is pretty easy. And then the next level would be sign in, and I'll show you what a VIP level is. When you become a VIP for $99, you get an additional 2% added on top of every store's offer. So you can see what those offers are. So Walmart isn't the best. It's okay to drop ship, and I'm just going to go through and teach you how to find a store. Because you can't gift an item. Now you can go through their registry, like their wedding registry, and go through that way and you can gift it. That's a little bit more complicated, but it is doable, and everybody in the United States is familiar with Walmart. I love Best Buy because they give you points for everything you buy, plus you can get a credit card and get, I think it's 5% back, in points. So then you would get the 4% back once you make a purchase in cash back, plus the points that are added on. Home Depot does not have a point system, but they do have a credit card. There's deals and coupon that you can also look at. And each store you're just going to have to go through and figure out, what you're comfortable with and whether or not they give you cash back. Sears gives you cash back. Target has a credit card that you can get an additional 5% on top of this. So that's 9% off the price that you would get. So you have to consider that when you're selling it. So you just go through these stores and you figure it out. Overstock isn't something I've used, but I'm just going to take you through and just click on it, a shot in the dark. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to click on go to store. Down here are the deals. And you have to be careful when there's a sale that you make sure you check your items back and take them off if the prices change. So here's Overstock. It's very similar to Amazon actually, but now you can ship from here. This is how I find items in the store. I just click on what percentage is off for the week. And then I find something that I'm comfortable with that I think that people aren't going to return. So a rug might be, they put it down on the floor and they decide they don't like it. This generally furniture, like you can see, as long as the furniture arrives in one piece, most of the time people aren't going to return furniture. So you kind of just have to guess, as far as picking items. So I like furniture and I like to go a little higher. There is impulse buying, and some drop shippers suggest anywhere from $20 to $50 so people impulse buy. I like to go for the higher ticket items because I want to make more money for every time I process something. So I would just go through here and you're going to see, that's a little bit more difficult pricing the cart. Just as far as time goes. If you have time, do it and check it out if you're comfortable with it. So sale ends in 16 hours. I'm not going to even go for that. Just because I know that's going to be, probably by the time I'm sleeping. Now here's something I might look at. It's a weekly deal. I'll just have to check back on Sunday so you can do a process of that. It was $1.99, so there's a good chance that this is going to turn into something positive. So I click on it, I grab the title, right click and copy, And now I'm going to go over here to Amazon and I'm going to paste that title in there. Once I paste that title, yay, it brings up this Backyard Discovery Cedar Garden Potting Bench. And then I just go back and I, make sure it's the same one. Isn't that amazing? And so easy. It so eliminates all the other wholesaler and subscribing and setting up a Shopify store and all that stuff. I scroll over here, I see that if it's the same, and then right here I click sell on Amazon. Now this is just a shot in the dark, so we'll see if I can make some money here. So you're going to see the competing prices. The condition I would change to not like new, but new. Okay, it's not even letting me do that. So that's what Amazon, that's one of the downsides of Amazon. Sometimes it plugs you into only being able to do, but let's just say I did new, I would put in the condition no, brand new. And I don't ever list more than 3 items unless it's something that would be cool to sell in a bunch, because this will bump it up into the search. Now, how do you get an image? I'll show you that on another video just for time's sake. My price, and if you remember, it was like $128. I'm going to put $127, so I am the cheapest. I want to ship this item myself because I'm actually going to ship it from Overstock. Shipping, so they're going to charge the customer $32 for shipping, and they pick the shipping 4 to 14 days, and then you click calculate fees, and this is where you will see whether or not you make money. So $134, and if you remember back here, we're buying it for $95. Now the cool thing about Overstock is, and I didn't even show you, you can go up here to start earning. If for $20 a year, you join this special club and you can get points and rewards back. So this is a great place to work with too. And then you would add to cart. So you can do the math. $134.58 minus $94.99. Okay, that's the flat out money that you will make just from selling it. If you have a good credit card, you're going to get points on your credit card. You're going to get points in the Overstock system that actually turn into money. And there's other ways that Overstock allows you to get money as well. So I would just click on here and then submit your listing, and bam, it's done. That's it. And then you just wait for the customer to buy it. Now, check in the links below if you sell something, and go to my playlist called Dropshipping 101 or Dropshipping 100, something along those lines, and you're going to see all the little steps that you need to start your own dropshipping business. So this is how you list on Amazon. I will also show you how to list on eBay and how to find and get those pictures for your sale. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.